I like making delicious food, and people really enjoy my food because, what I think my food probably can make them happy. When I came to London, Ontario, I really got homesick, really missed the food, family and friends. But I couldn't really go back to Korea because I had to focus on my study here. So looking for some of the authentic Korean restaurants, I couldn't really find a really good one because the taste it wasn't really authentic at all. And then I decided just to make my own dishes, my own food. That's how I started for just the family and friends while I was in school. My specialty is authentic Korean, like vegan and vegetarian food, like homemade kimchi and japchae and fresh rolls and like kimchi pancakes. My food is very made it from scratch with only using the necessary ingredients, which are like premium and fresh. I wanted to do something to the community by providing them, the vegan and vegetarian options. I'm guaranteed that my food will be really tasty.